Hey guys, so today I'm going to make another video how to make slime out of face mask. So I'm just gonna test because I'm not sure if it's gonna work. So let's get started. So here I have the face mask thing. Then we're gonna add a few pinches of salt in there. And you're going to be using your mixing tool to mix it up. So it's a bit hard to do this, but it's actually really going to work. I hope it does, because I always wanted to try to make some slime. So yeah, I hope it works. So yeah, so I hope it works. Which I already said that, but it might work because it's like, hey look, it's actually kind of working, so it's really nice. It's like a nice type of slime. So I always wanted to try to do some slime, so I'll be right back. I forgot something. Sorry about that. That's really sorry. But yeah, like I was saying, it's gonna make like a nice mix probably. So let's mix it. Let's add a bit of more salt. You want to add pinches because, well, normally you're supposed to add pinches when you're using like shampoo or hand soap, but not like with face mask. Well, yeah, you still have to use pinches with face mask too, but you know. So this is how it is looking right now. So let's try to put our finger in there. It's kind of a bit like a bit weird because normally I added a bit more salt, so I should have not done that. So let me mix it a bit more. Ooh, this is nice. Okay. Alright, so this is a slime. It's a really nice slime. I think it's a really nice slime. So I think it's like really good slime, like really good product, because like I really like how it stretches and like how it's a bit hard. Because it's kind of a bit hard. So, and I'm just gonna try this because I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not, but I'm just gonna add like just like a teeny bitty of water because it might work, you never know. So I'm just gonna get like a little container. I have no idea where can I get the container from, but I'll just get like a small container. Just get this out. Okay, so I'll just get a small container. Sorry about the noise. Oh, that's too much. Okay, so I'm just gonna add just a teeny bitty of water just to make sure if it's gonna work. Whoops. So we're just gonna test if it's going to work, we're just gonna drop a bit of the water. Okay. So it's a bit now harder than I thought. It's gonna be a little melty. So it's now a little harder. I mean, now it's a little stickier than I thought. So I'm gonna go get more of this face mask. I'm gonna go put some more, and it's gonna take a while, but yeah, I'll be right back. Sorry about that, that took long, but I added a bit more of face mask to make it a little harder. It's kind of working. So we're just testing. So, yeah. Okay, so that's technically how my slime came out. But yeah, it's like a bit sticky, so like I said, I was just testing, and this pretty much kind of worked, or kind of did not work. So, and I'm just gonna do another video of this when it stays for a bit longer. So sorry about this video that's too long, but I promise I'll make some more. I'll make another video when when I'm done having it in the fridge. So like, I'm gonna have it in the freezer for like 2 hours probably, and then I'm gonna make another video. I'm gonna make a video showing you that if it worked or not. So hope you like this video, and wait until the other one comes out. So right now, just go put it in after this video, and I'll make another video when 2 hours are already passed. So see you next time, and give a like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And remember, watch the second one if you want to see if it works. Okay? Bye, you guys.